Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are, or night, whatever it is. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video, and then like it by the end of the video if you end up liking this whole look. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I don't really talk throughout much of it because I am really just focusing on the products that I am using. And I also haven't done eyeshadow in a real long time, so I was super focused on that. So, that's why there's not that much talking during it, because I'm just really focused on the whole look in general. Alright, so we are going to start on the eyes, and we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. This is what I am going to use. It literally just starts coming out though as soon as you take the lid off, so we're having way more than we need, but it's fine. I'm looking straight at my mirror that is over here. And we're just taking a brush and we are just applying this on. Seems like a lot at first, but trust me, when you blend it, it won't be. Because I will blend it with my finger as well. But this is as light as it gets, and I just tap it and just wipe it so it's not as white. It'll be fine when we have our foundation on. I promise. It's just a great base. And now that that is on both eyes, we are going to be going in with the So Jaded palette by Kathleen Lights. And we're going to be taking my Precious, which is just this bone shade, and we are going to be applying that all over the lid to set the primer. Now, by me using this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, the eyeshadow will be more pigmented and it will stay on longer. So this is why I'm doing the eyes first, since I was using the eye primer. Okay, so now we're going to be taking this Morphe M573 brush, and we are going to go in with Rose Quartz right here, and we're going to put that in our crease. And that is what the color looks like for a good crease shade. On top of that, we are going to go with Geodude, which is this shade right down here, because it's a little bit more muted. And we're going to be applying that on top. And we're going to be taking a brush that has barely any product on it and blending that out. That way it is not as orange as it was. And then don't worry about if the outside corner is a little messed up. We will take a makeup wipe to fix that. So now we're going to grab the Zodiac palette, which is by Kathleen Lights as well. And we are going to grab the shade Taurus. And we are going to first clean off our brush so that there's no excess pigment on it. And we're going to apply a little bit of Taurus in the crease shade as well, just so it darkens up the brown that I am looking for, because the So Jaded palette does not have this color. Alright, again, taking another brush and blending that out. Now we're going to be going back into the So Jaded palette, and we are going to be taking Stoned, which is this brownish gray right here, on a brush just like this. Is the Jeffree Star JS13 brush, so 13. And we are going to be applying this on the outer corner, just so little, that way it is not too much. Literally just applying a little bit so that it just darkens up the crease. And I am patting it in because when it comes to darker shades, it is just easier to pat them in. Alright, and the next shade we're going to be going in with is the shade Moonstone, which is this color right here. And I'm just going to be applying that with my finger. This is what that looks like. We're just applying that to the lid. Also going to be taking the shade Pearl, which is this white shimmery shade as well. And there is that. Now we're going to clean this up with a makeup wipe. Now I'm going to be going in with the Versali glass, liquid glass. This is the Radiance Drops. You're going to be applying this all over the face. I don't always put my eyeshadow on first, but for this time I was, because I didn't know how the fallout was going to be on this eyeshadow. Our Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and we're going to apply that right on top. Next, we're going in with the Sheer Glow Foundation by NARS. This is in the shade Stromboli, which is medium 3, and I have my beauty blender for our hand, and we are going to take a brush and disperse it on our face. I'm going to take our beauty blender and blend it in. I'm just going to be taking a little bit more and applying it to the places that need a little bit more foundation. Now we're going to be taking 2 shades of Tarte Shape Tape. We're going to be taking Tan Sand and Light Medium Honey. We're going to apply Tan Sand first. And then we're going to put Light Medium Honey on top. I'm going to be taking the pointy side of the beauty blender and just blending it up. Now that we have that applied, we are going to set our face using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm going to take the foundation off my face, off my hand. I'm going to take our bigger brush and we will apply this all over the cheeks. The only thing I don't like about the translucent setting powder by Hourglass is just the little container that disperses the powder. I absolutely hate it. You need something bigger than that little H to get more product out. Now that that is done, we are going to bronze up the face using the Smashbox Holidays palette. So we are literally going in with the bronze shade, and that's it. I'm not pale enough to do the contour shade yet. So we are applying this to add a little bit of warmth back into our face. Now that we have the bronzer on, I'm going to grab blush. Blush we're going to be using is this one by Madison & Miller with Ofra Cosmetics. And just applying a little bit to add some warmth into our cheeks. And we are going to be using is the Tarte Double Take Liquid Eyeliner. I'm going to be moving my mirror up super close so I can focus. I'll probably show you guys one eye and then do the next one off camera. And that is what this little wing looks like. I don't like to do too big of a wing. Alright, so I have the winged eyeliner on. Next we are going to go in with the Clinique eyeliner. We're going to put that on the lower waterline. So I have that applied. Now we're going to do brows. Just take my brow out. Alright, so we are going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. First we're going to fluff them up. And we are going to just lightly put some powder on. And also like shape the brows on how we want them to be shaped. this brow is just a way different shape than my other one, so. And then we're going to brush it back out. We're gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel and set them. First, we're gonna get this big chunk of product off the brush because I can see that ending very badly. And then we have some areas where there's like big clumps, so we're just gonna let it dry. Now I'm gonna be taking my setting spray before I do my mascara, and we're going to set the face. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Just applied a lot. We're gonna fan that out. All right, now we're going to apply our mascara. So we're gonna curl them. We're gonna be using the BFF mascara by Colourpop. Which I think I'm gonna need a new one because I think I broke my little wand thing. It's like pointed downwards and it's not supposed to. For our bottom lashes, we're going to be using the El Maquillage mascara. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we have lower lash. Eyelashes are done. Now for the highlighter part. We will first be going in with the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. Just coat that in my brush. And then we're going to be applying that to the tops of our cheeks. Tops of the cheekbone. This Jeffree Star brush. And buffing it out. So I put a little bit too much on one side. And then we're going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost Frozen Peach. That's the shade it's in. And we're going to put that on top. Just like that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you like that, click the notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a video or post on my notification wall, so my community wall. And that way you just get notified every time I upload a video, because if you don't click that bell, you're not going to get notified every time that I upload a video, and you're going to think that I haven't been uploading. But I have. Trust me, you can see my uploads that I've been. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!